If you open your intake manifold of a diesel engine and you see oil coming out of it or right inside it, something will come in your mind. Could it be that this engine is bad, or what causes this? Any of those questions, I'm going to answer it right in this video. I'll tell you major reason why you have oil in your intake manifold. Don't worry, it may not be a serious problem, so calm down and follow this video. Watch this video to the end because you are going to learn a lot from it. You are welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Engine. I dissect every engine component and troubleshoot engine in this channel. Now, why do you have oil in your intake manifold of a diesel engine? You need to know that your diesel engine works with high pressure. Let me call it compression. A lot of compression. Your ring cannot cope with those compression. So some get passed into your crankcase. Some get into your crankcase, but when it gets into your crankcase, what happens? Your crankcase now cannot hold it, because at some point it will start pulling your oil seal, pulling other things. So therefore it must get out. This gas that goes past your piston rings is called blow-by gases. The blow-by gases must not remain right in your crankcase, so it must go out. So for it to go out, it is that system. There is a system for it to go out. It is called crankcase ventilation system. This is very important. When it's going out as a gas, and these gas carry tiny oil vapor with them, and when it's going out, it goes out back to your intake system so that the engine can reburn the gas again. Now when it's going there, with time it's going to condense into liquid oil right inside your intake manifold. That is the oil you are seeing there. Do you get it? Blow-by escape your piston rings and goes down to your crankcase. Your crankcase ventilation system bring it back to your intake, and when it's coming, it is going to come with tiny oil vapor. When this tiny oil vapor settle down, it's going to condense into liquid oil. It is this liquid oil that you are seeing right in your intake, but it must be small amount. When it's now become more or plenty, that is where the problem lies. If it's more become plenty, that means there is problem with that engine. You don't need to overlook it. But if it's just small, you can overlook it. But if it is more, let's go into that. If you have a lot of oil in your intake, that means there is problem. One, it could be that your piston rings is bad. So your piston ring is allowing a lot of gases, blow-by gases, to go down into your crankcase, and because of that, a lot of blow-by gas is returning back to your intake. So that is why you are having plenty oil right in your crankcase as a blow-by gas. But if your piston ring is still good, you have little oil. But when it becomes plenty, you see a lot of oil, that means your piston rings is bad. Another reason why you can see oil right in your intake manifold is when you are having bad turbocharger. Your turbocharger is divided into two parts. You have the turbine side, and you also have the compressor side. If the compressor side is bad, the oil seal is bad, it allows oil to go to your intake manifold. So you need to check, is it your turbocharger or is it the blow-by gas? How will you know if it's blow-by that your piston ring is bad? Just open the cover on your valve cover. Just open the cover of it. If you are seeing a lot of gas coming out, that's to tell you that your piston rings is bad. You need to overhaul the engine. So this is why you are having oil in your intake valve. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go and check what I told you, and you're going to solve this problem. Follow me for more engine tips. See you in another video.